Hello and welcome to another Dance Fit tutorial on our YouTube channel. So this is my tutorial for the beginner line dance glass of wine, which we've been doing in some of our classes right here on the northwest coast of Tasmania, but you might be doing it somewhere else. So I'm going to do a very easy tutorial for this dance. This is glass of wine. Just so you know, there is no music in this tutorial. There will be another video that's coming with the music in it. And once I've uploaded it, I'll put a link up in the corner so you can link to that. It'll be in the Dance Fit playlist. So no music to this. I'm just going to take you through it, and I am going to turn around for this, all right? So that I'm facing the other way, because that's what we do in line dancing. And we're going to start this one. There's a bit of an intro. All right, and then we're going to start using the right leg. And we're going to take the right leg out. Step, and then we're slowly, for the next 3 counts, going to bring that left leg in. We're going to lift the heel off the floor, lift the toe off the floor, lift the heel back to here. All right, so if we do that again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. Left leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's part 1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once we're here, we're going to come back and we're going to tap to the side. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's a bit of a clap. All right, so a bit of a tapping and clapping. So from the beginning, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're going to go into part 2. Once we've done that, it's a grapevine to the side. We're going to step with the right foot. We're going to take that left foot behind. So we're going left step behind, step in front. Then we're going to do a rock step. We're going to rock, bring that right foot across, bring it back together. All right, so let's do that again. So right foot's coming out, left foot's coming behind for a grapevine. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, rock, 5, 6, bring that right foot for 7 and 8. Let's put the first 2 parts together. All right, starting on that right foot. We're going to come out. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. Step 2, 3, 4. Rock. 7, 8. Once you get back here, next bit, we're going to do a rock step backwards, and then we're going to add in the turn, because there is a turn in this dance. So we're going to go backwards. So we're going to go rock back, 1, 2, then we're going to turn 3, 4 to here. All right, fairly simple that bit. So we rock back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've turned. The very last bit of the dance is a jazz box cross. So we're going to go jazz box cross. We're going to go 1, 6, 7, 8. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that bit all together. So we're going to do a rock back. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the reason you're doing the cross at the end is so that you can start the dance again from this side. But let's go from the beginning, all right? And we're going to start with our right leg coming forward. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, left leg, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. We rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4. Jazz box cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. Leg is here, because we're going to do the same thing again. We bring that right leg out. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go grapevine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, jazz box cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. You've now done 2 walls of this 4-wall dance. Let's do wall number 3. And then we'll keep going and do wall number 4. Here we go. Right leg comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's rock. 6, 7, 8. Rock back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're back here again. Ready to do the whole thing. That's it. Don't forget, you can rewind this video over and over again if you get lost in various parts. That's all right. Don't forget to check out the other video where there will be some music. Other than that, that's it for this tutorial. We will do more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.